Hello everyone. Today I wanted to show you how you can use MPE controls of the Osmose below here to control modulations on the Korg Modwave here. And this is something I've been wanting to do on the Osmose itself in the Haken engine, but I haven't been able to find a way to do it. So I started experimenting with controlling Modwave, and I think it's really cool. So yeah, basically what I want to do is when I bend the key here, I want to control the modulations of my drone. And in the video that I posted last week, you can see how I've set up the Osmose and how you make the base of this patch. I'm gonna be using a drone patch, which is the one that I made the last time, so I'm just gonna let you hear it quick. It will only react to the pressure touch, then after touch, and pitch bends will just be regular pitch bends here. So yeah, pretty nice drone I think, but it's really basic because yeah, it's just for a quick demo here. So yeah, the first thing we want to do here on the Modwave is to turn off the pitch bends, just so you can hear the modulations better, and you can always add them back if you actually like them or at a reduced value. But yeah, for this demo I'm gonna turn them off. So I'm gonna put both my pitch bends here up and down both to 0, and I'm gonna do that on both layers. So now my pitch bend won't react anymore. Also I'm gonna just turn off the reverb and the delays here, so it will also be easier to hear the modulations, and then later we can turn them back on. So on the first layer I'm going to control an LFO that controls the cutoff, but I'm gonna do that in a way so it will only start modulating when you are bending. Basically it's changing the depth of the LFO. So to do that I'm gonna add modulation in the matrix here. I'm gonna do that with layer 1 here selected, and I'm gonna add it to the cutoff, and I'm gonna control that with the filter LFO here. Press enter, and then you can set the value, so let's set that to 20 here. And now the thing on how I'm gonna control it is I'm gonna set the int mod, which is basically it allows you to set one of the buttons here or any modulation factor like the chaos physics or whatever to control the depth of your matrix modulation. And for that I'm gonna set the pitch wheel here, and because I have 2 layers, each key will control one of the pitch bends, so that way each layer can have a separate modulation source. So let's select the pitch bend here, so set it to pitch bend, and yeah, I've already set it up for the aftertouch like I said earlier, but I've also set the mod wheel to control cutoff, so we can also try it here. So as you can hear, when I'm using the pitch wheel, I open up the LFO. But the cool thing with MPE is that you also can do that now with So yeah, that's just it's really easy to make, and you can really add some cool effects that way to your drone or whatever sound you are making basically. And yeah, really fast. So let's go to layer B, and basically we are gonna do the same thing here, but on layer B I'm gonna adjust the panning of my oscillators and the whole synthesizer of layer B basically. So let's see, where was that? Oh, yeah, under the amplifier. I'm gonna go here to panning, and I'm gonna add a new one, press enter, and I had panning selected. I'm gonna select the pitch bend again, press enter, 200 value. But yeah, layer 2 is programmed to listen to MIDI channel 2, so I can't do that with this keyboard, so that means the second key here on this keyboard, the pitch bend will now control the panning. So yeah, that's a really cool effect, and if you want to set the Osmose keyboard, currently it's set up to control the whole keyboard range with pitch bends, but if you only want to set the pitch bend lower, you can also adjust the panning here of the oscillators, and by doing so it will be easier to reach the full panning value. And of course, when you're using panning on that means reverb will kind of reduce the panning value. So on the second layer you will want to set your reverb to like lower values. So I've set it to minus 8 dB on the second layer, and I can fully open it on the first layer. So on the first layer I've set it to 0, and then on the second layer I've set it to minus 8. So let's hear the drone again. Yeah, pretty nice, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you the next time.